video, we are going to be unboxing our Chic Beauty Box. This is the September-October 2020 box. I'm super excited to be unboxing this for you guys. This is a bi-monthly subscription, and I'll get into the deets here in a second, but as always, guys, if you're new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name is Ron, and over here, we always embrace the hot mess because it is she can't talk. What I was trying to say is it is a stress-free, drama-free, judgment-free zone. However, I will be honest with you guys, I'm a little stressed. I'm a little like happy stressed. You know what I mean? Okay, you don't know what I mean. So my son just turned 16 almost a month ago. He just took his permit today, and we just got home, and I'm like, oh, like the whole children growing up, nobody ever preps you for that aspect, you know? So now I've got 2 drivers, and I'm just like, these kids growing up need to stop, you know? Okay, anyways, I have a whole like 10-minute whiny rant over on my vlog channel that'll be going up, I think, on Thursday. So if you want to hear me like whine about children growing up, go check out my vlog channel. Anyways, guys, like I said, today we will be unboxing the Chic Beauty Box. So let's go ahead and jump on in. Okay, guys, so like I said, we're going to be unboxing the Chic Beauty Box. This is for September and October box. This box is actually a bi-monthly box. It's $34.99. That does include shipping, and you will receive 4 to 5 full-size items in here. And I am really excited to see what is in this box because your girl saw some sneaky peekies over on Instagram. They actually have a whole Instagram that they will show you some of the items that you will be seeing in these boxes. So first, when we open it up, we do see we have a little card in here. Now on this card, they do tell you that it is a September-October box. Now when it comes to Chic Beauty Box, you do, when you sign up, you get a profile, and you do get to customize items in this box. Now this was sent to me in PR, so this time I actually did not get to customize anything in here, but that's fine because, you know, I get what I get, and I'm not going to throw a fit about it because look at this. This is what I saw over on their Instagram, and I was super excited to see this. This is the NARS Orgasm Liquid Highlighter, guys. This has a retail value of $30, and I was like shocked when I saw this as a sneak peek over there. So let's shake her up. This is what it looks like up close. Cute little like frosted glass bottle, and you do have, it's like a pump. So let's go ahead. Ooh. It says it is a universal flattering shade. Oh, this is pretty. This is really, at first I was like, okay, it's highlight, but the color, I thought maybe it was going to have a little bit more opacity, like a blush, but that is really pretty. Like, it's not the kind that is like beaming, like blinding, but it is, like, you can see. And it's not disrupting my foundation, which is very nice. Because I've had this on for a while, this foundation. And I like this. When they say universal, I agree. Because some highlighters I really have to watch, especially when I sunless tan. There are certain ones that they're too cool tone, they're too warm. So this is perfect. This is really pretty. And I feel like it definitely will work for a lot of people, like it says. Really pretty. It's more of like a beautiful radiance. I bet this would be gorgeous. I'm gonna say gorgeous in your moisturizer or mix in your foundation. I'm gonna mix it in my moisturizer. I think that would be absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna do that. And you know, I do feel like maybe if you have fairer skin than I do, this would be absolutely beautiful on your cheekbones as like a really pretty like baby flush look to the cheeks. That's really pretty. So like I said, this has a retail value of $30. The next item I see in here, this is by Almay. This is the Goddess Gloss. So I guess this is the lip gloss. Oh, okay, so here's the deal, guys. I thought the way this was set up, it was either variation 1 or variation 2, but it kind of looks like here's all the items that you could receive in this box. And then they're just kind of gonna tell you the prices of everything. So this holographic lip gloss, it's moisturizing, smooth, and never sticky, has a retail value of $19.99. Hold on, I'm trying to open it. I can't, I'm gonna have to cut it open. Now, you guys know I like lip glosses. I would much prefer a lip gloss than like a matte liquid lipstick any day of the week, like for sure. Make sure you are following me over on Instagram, because I will be doing or creating, potentially, I think there might be an eyeshadow in here. Hold on. Okay, got it open finally. So let's see what we got here. No scent. Ooh. I don't know if it's holographic, but it's definitely like got a duo shift to it. Ooh, that's pretty. I'm gonna put some on. Oh, that's a pretty color. It's kind of gold. It doesn't really match me, but that's actually pretty. I mean, I'm not mad about it. I think that'll be great for the fall, for sure. And like I said, it has a retail value of $9.99. Moving on to the next item I see here. Oh, this is by Bare Minerals. This is a Gen Nude eyeshadow primer in the shade Low Key. And this has a retail value of $20. You know, let's see. Okay, so here's the dealio. I legitimately just opened a primer, so I don't want to open this and potentially waste it. But you guys know I do enjoy the Bare Minerals concealer. So, and this looks very similar. I know obviously it's not a concealer, but I am definitely going to use this in the future, or you guys will see it in a giveaway. Either way, that's a good deal. So, I like seeing that in here. The next item is by NYX. This is the Cosmic Gel Liner. Ooh, this looks like a fun color. Oh my gosh, why can't I open this? Time to open it like a monster. Oh my gosh, it's like funky blue. Ooh, look at that. Hailey will love this. I feel like this is definitely a Hailey. Well, you know what? This could be really fun with, oh yeah. Look at that, guys. That's really pretty. It's got like a little casing on here. Little information about this. It says the NARS. Nope, this is not NARS. Rhonda, try again. The NYX gel liner. It says these silky gel liners blend easily and don't set into creases or fade. They have a retail value of $9. This is scary but fun. I'm gonna have to test this out. I'm definitely, make sure you're following me over on Instagram to see what I end up creating with all of these goodies. Okay, one more item in here. Ooh, this is the Bare Minerals Gen Nude Latte Eyeshadow Palette. Oh, this is, okay, this literally was what I was thinking to make this blue eyeliner work. It's like a neutral, ooh, look how pretty the case is, guys. Isn't that pretty? I don't have any Bare Minerals. Oh, this is exactly what I wanted. Look at that. That is flippin' gorgeous. Okay, so I'm thinking kind of like, you know, what I have on today. Like simple, just earthy, and then a little shock value with the blue. Follow me on Instagram. I'm going to create a look for you guys. I have to swatch these. Oh my gosh, these are buttery mattes. Oh, this is beautiful. I know what you're saying. But Rhonda, you always say swatches don't tell the story. You're right. You're right. They don't, but they sure do feel nice. Oh my gosh. These are nice, guys. I love shimmers that are creamy like this. I love that like soft packed type of shimmer. Look at those colors. Isn't that just beautiful? It's simple, I know, but then they gave you the pop with the blue. So you got some options here. So we ended up getting a total of 5 items in here. A little recap, the Gen Nude Latte Eyeshadow Palette. This does have a retail value of, let's see here, $29. It feels like it would be worth so much more than that, you know? I mean, the mirror is a nice size mirror, everything. These colors, oh my gosh, they're just so perfect. Like every day, I don't need to think, I just throw something on kind of colors. We got the Gen Nude palette. We got the NYX gel liner. Of course, we're seeing the Orgasm NARS liquid highlighter. And then, of course, we got the Almay gloss. And then the Bare Minerals Gen Nude eyeshadow primer, which, you know what, I may just go ahead, open up and try it just with those together. I don't know, but either way, I think this box was really good. Now, keep in mind, this box is $34.99. That includes shipping, and everything you see here is worth way more than the $34.99. So when it comes down to it, I enjoy everything in here. It's definitely within what I'm comfortable with, minus the little Cosmic gel liner. But like I said, I could see getting away with this with that neutral nude type of look. So like I said, I'm gonna create a look over on Instagram for you guys, showing you guys how to incorporate this, and maybe I'll like put together a video over here as well for y'all. So anyways, guys, let me know you guys' thoughts on this. I know a lot of you guys have said you love the fact that this is an every other month type of subscription, so you don't feel overwhelmed. You said also that you do like that you get to customize your choices, or some of the choices in here, so you're making sure you're getting things that you like. And I do like that. I do appreciate that. And I have to say, I really do enjoy unboxing this box. So let me know your thoughts down below, guys. Like I said, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. There will be a giveaway video going up very, very soon. I think it's going to be later this week that video will be popping up. So stick around, subscribe, follow me over on Instagram. And until next time, my friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys.